This is the Govee Nugget Icemaker Pro. And Govee says it's self-cleaning. And that's not entirely true. It is sleek, it's smart, and it makes the perfect crunchy ice we all love. But if you actually believe it cleans itself, your machine is going to end up looking like this one from work. Today, I'm showing you the 6-month reality of the Govee Nugget Icemaker Pro. The good, the bad, and the biofilm truth you won't see in the manual. Since the bin isn't insulated, the ice eventually melts and recycles back into the tank. It's a clever water-saving design, but it creates a warm, damp environment. After 6 months of daily use, that constant recycling means minerals, and if you aren't careful, bacteria can start to build up in places the self-cleaning cycle just can't reach. And to the smart portion of this ice maker. Within the app, you can schedule times to start making ice, stop making ice, even to automatically descale and clean. Plus, it's Govee, so of course it has a bunch of preset colorful lights. And when paired with the Govee Pro outlet with energy monitoring, you can see in real time how much power this ice maker uses. This was a big concern of mine, but after 6 months, we are averaging between $3 and $4 a month in energy usage cost. Small price to pay for unlimited crunchy nugget ice. To keep this machine pro and avoid that growth I showed you, you have to follow a specific rhythm. Govee recommends alternating between a cleaning cycle and a descaling cycle about every 100 hours of cooling time. For the cleaning and descaling agents, Govee sells food-safe product specifically for this. Descaling is a 30-minute process to break down mineral buildup. The self-clean is faster at 10 minutes. But here's the pro catch. Both require 2 to 3 full rinse cycles afterward. That's another 20 to 30 minutes of just flushing the system. But the biggest secret? The self-clean button only handles the guts of the machine. While those cycles are running, you must get hands-on. I manually scrub the ice bucket, the inside of the ice chamber, and the entire water tank. If you aren't wiping down every surface by hand, you aren't actually getting it clean. It's a commitment, but it's the only way to keep your ice tasting like it should. Now let's talk numbers. Govee claims this can pump out up to 60 pounds of ice a day. And in my testing, that's actually pretty accurate. But only if you're emptying the bin regularly. Because it isn't a freezer. Once the bin's full, production stops. As for speed, you get your first handful of ice in under 6 minutes. It starts slow, but once the system is chilled, it really finds its rhythm. The crunch quality is top tier. It's that soft, chewable nugget ice that rivals the big commercial machines, just in a footprint that actually fits on your counter. So the Govee Nugget Icemaker Pro is a beast at making ice. And the smart features? It actually solves its biggest hardware flaw, the lack of insulation of the ice bucket. But here's the bottom line. Don't buy this if you just want to set it and forget it appliance. But if you want the best nugget ice right here at home, and you're willing to do a little manual scrubbing once in a while to stop it from getting gross, for me, the trade-off is worth the crunch. So if you're building out your own smart kitchen, smart home, outdoor lighting, hit that subscribe button. I'm Justin, and I'll see you on the next one.